no dealings. Shawty, I ain't mad right now, I just think we should just not speak, cause you just don't listen. I had to double my cup up and pour me a focus, I had to get out of my feelings. I took the car off the lot, then I took that bitch back, cause I wanted to want no ceilings.
What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Rio, and I'm back with another banger, man. Look, hey, bro, in today's video, man, I got a lit video for y'all, man. As y'all can see, I'm at Kroger right now, bro. I was just walking to my car, y'all. Then I seen my brother lean back in the seat, sleep. He sleep in the passenger seat. So I was like, bro, this what I'm finna do. I'm finna pull up to a car wash, go through the car wash, and I'm gonna let the windows down on him, bro. Like, while he sleep, I'm finna let the windows down, and we finna get his reaction, bro. I'm finna have soap all in my car, everything. So make sure y'all like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and drop a comment, man. Look, let's get right into the video. Let's do it. Y'all can see him in there. Man, make sure y'all smash the like button, comment on the video, and subscribe to the channel, bro. Look, let's go and get into it. Let's do it.
Why the fuck you do that shit?
My fault, bro. That's it.
Bro.
My fault, bro.
Where I supposed to sit at? Bro.
Oh, my fault, bro. I just had it. Bro, I got my whole car wet, bro. Bro, you gotta help me clean this up, bro.
Hell nah. Why my stomach hurt? Why my stomach hurt like what?
Hey, when I went inside Kroger, bro. When I went inside Kroger, I came back and see you sleep. I had to get you, bro.
Damn.
I ain't gonna lie though. You gotta help me clean this ASAP. Bro, you gotta help me clean this ASAP.
Nah, well, my stomach hurt like what? Shit, that shit cold in a motherfucker. I thought I bread shit in there. Well, I ain't know what the fuck going on.
I didn't got up. Bro, what the? Alright, bro. Alright. Bro.
My nerve, bro. I want high blood pressure fucking with this shit.
Hey, bro, I had to get you, dog.
I know he thought like he was in the first seat up there. Now he's in the back seat.
Bro, how we gonna clean this out, bro?
How you gonna clean that shit up? I ain't cleaning that.
Damn.
Bro, you got all your shit wet. Where my phone at?
Where your phone at? Hey, bro, help me clean this up, though. Y'all, look.
Hell no.
Hey, y'all, man, I had to get bro. I ain't prank you in a minute, dog. I had to get you back on the channel, man, with a gift.
My stomach hurt, bro.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, though. It's soap out in the seat, bro. Look at all that.
Man, that shit just scared the fuck out of me.
I ain't gonna lie, though. That bitch, when I let down the back window, see, it got all on my seat, bro.
It's
over here?
Yeah, nigga, I know what I'm trying to say. I told that shit cold as fuck.
Yeah, hurry up, though. Hey, bro, come on, bro. Help me clean it up real quick, though. Help me clean it up. Bro, it gonna mess up my car, fool.
But it was your idea,
bro. Come on, bro. All right, y'all, man. Look, that gonna wrap up today's video, man. I just had to prank bro real quick, man. I ain't had him on the channel in a minute. But I gotta clean up my car, y'all, man. It's wet in here, soap in here, and I gotta clean it up before it mess up my seats, man. So look, Y'all stay tuned, man. Like the video, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, man. I'ma catch y'all in another video, man. Tell them bye. Tell them bye, bro.
Hurt my damn leg.
Man, tell my people bye, man.
Bro.
Tell my people, bro.
Bro.
All right, don't worry about it, y'all. We're gonna prank them again. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. All right, y'all. All right, y'all, man. Before we end today's video, man, this man just challenged me to a 3-point shootout, bro. We finna see who can make the most shots out of 10. You feel me? And the loser gotta do 50 push-ups, non-stop. You feel me? Non-stop, man. Y'all know I'm a real shooter, so but I'm gonna let you go first. Let's go.
This shit easy.
0 for 1. Well, your arm's gonna be tired today. 0 for 2. 0 for 3. 0 for 4. 0 for 5. Let's do it. Let's do it.
I got 5 straight.
Let's see. 0 for 6.
Come on, this bullshit.
Let's go. 0 for 7. He ain't none.
I'm a shooter, bro.
0 for 8. Trip for 3 at Blunt. 0 for 9. That boy ain't never been a shooter, man. 0 for 10. Boy, you ass.
Come on.
This finna be easy work.
Damn.
Easy work, man.
Fuck I do that.
I'm gonna kill you first one.
0 for 1.
I got you.
0 for 2. Yeah.
0 for 3.
0 for 3. 0 for 4. Man, you ain't finna make shit. 0 for 5.
Oh, let's go, boy. 1 for 6. 50 push-ups. Then I'm gonna keep it going, though.
That 1 for 6. You gonna make 1, nigga.
1 for 7.
1 for 7. I didn't know that shit was lucky.
1 for 7.
We can run it back though. 1 for 8. 1 for 9.
Alright, y'all, this last one right here.
Nigga beat me by 1. Nigga beat me by 1.
We gotta do 50 push-ups, though. Let me go get them 50. We gonna get them 50, man.
Shit.
Non-stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. That boy arms dead.
Run it back. Come on.
Run it back. Let's do it.
Run it back. I need my 50 back. Woo. Alright.
We can run it back. Let's do it. 0 for 1. These folks tired of seeing you miss, boy. 0 for 2. That's how we get big right here. We shoot. Whoever lose gotta do push-ups. 0 for 3. This shit easy, man. 0 for 4. That nigga finna be swole today. 0 for 5. that nigga finna be swole today. 0 for 6. What is it? 0 for 7. Ooh, 1 for 7.
I bust the rest of them.
1 for 8.
I bust the rest
2 for 8. Okay.
I bust the rest of
2
them.
for 8.
You can get my 50 back.
2 for 9. I got 2 in me. I got 2 for 2 for 10.
Shit.
I got 2 in me for sure. You ever had a one more round?
Shit.
I got 2 in me. I come off striking 2.
0 for 1.
1. 1 for 1. No 1 for 2.
You stepped up.
Alright. You right here. Look at your video. You right here.
Come on. 1 for 2. 2 for 3, come on. Yeah. It's a tie game. It's a tie game. 2 for 4. 2 for 5. It's a tie game. 2 for 6. 2 for 6. Why did 2 for 7. 2 for 8.
You think I'm gonna miss both of these? He back on the curve. He back. Hey, and I'm gonna carry you. Look,
that's some bullshit.
He back on the curve.
What we got, 25?
Nah, 50.
Shit.
He over here. Let's do it. Let's count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That nigga slowing down.
That's what it sounds, boy.
Why would this slowing down?
Let go. 8, 9, 30.
How old 19?
20. At 30.
At 31.
20. Yeah, 19. Let's go. 6, 7, 8.
Shit.
Loud move. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 4, 5.
How many more we? 5.
6.
6.
1, 2, 3. Let's go, man. We ain't got all day. Let's go.
Shit.
4, 5. Come on, man.
Shit.
You gotta do a real one, y'all. Alright.
Whoo. Run it back.
Run it back. Bro.
I'm gonna get your ass on the floor. Come on.
What we doing, 20 now?
Hell nah, nigga. 50.
I'm saying because if you lose, you can't do another 50.
Nah, 50. Come on.
Bro, I ain't finna sit here and play with you.
Bro, give me the ball, bro. Come on.
Alright.
I'm gonna get your ass on the floor. You gotta be fucked up.
0 for 1. This is sad. 0 for 2.
My arm hurt, bro.
Man, get your arm hurt all day. This 0 for 3.
Shit, man.
0 for 3.
Damn. My arm's hurt.
0 for 4. Look, he standing there, y'all talking about I stepped up. That same play he was.
I go back. I go back.
They don't go back, nigga. 0 for 5. This nigga ass. 0 for 6. 0 for 7. 0 for 8. Oh, 1 for 8. 1 for 9. 2 for 9. I got 2 in me. You know I got 2 in me. You know I got 2 in me.
Damn.
I come off strike.
0 for 1, nigga. 0 for 2. You ain't nothing.
1 for 3. You know I got 2 in me.
1 for 4. You ain't got no more. 1 for 5. You ain't got no more. It's a wrap. Come on, give me 50.
I got 5 more, boy.
You ain't gonna make 1. You don't make 1. Off. That shit broke already. I seen that shit. Off.
Lock in, Rio. Lock in. I ain't getting on that floor.
Shit me. off.
Ooh!
Shit.
What that is?
2 for 8.
2 for 8. Got 2 more. One more shot.
I mean 2 for 9. That's 2 for 9.
Hey, I've got 2 shots. I think one of these you back on the floor.
Shit.
Oh, he back on the floor.
Bro, I ain't see that.
He back on the floor.
I ain't see that shit.
He back on the floor. You back, get back on the floor, man. Back on the floor.
You said 20, didn't
Nah, I said 50.
you? Got an arm rest, bro.
Man, come on with it, bro.
What do you mean? I got a rest.
You forfeited?
Yeah, what's the forfeit?
Oh, no, nigga. Come on, bro.
Shit. Yeah, damn.
I'm done out there, bro. It's over with. You ain't got no more money to bet, man. He ain't got no more push-ups to bet. Look at it. I should have never betted you. You ain't even got enough push-ups to bet.
I do 20 straight.
Man, come on. You can break it up in 20. 1, 2. You better don't push ups, nigga.
Man! Ooh! I don't push up like mine.
Man, come on, man. You gonna give me a rest on?
What?
You gotta give me 30 more, nigga.
20, nigga.
Nigga, you betting me 50 push ups, huh?
Come on, bro.
This nigga playing. I'm gonna do him a favor, man. Since you already did, what, about 100? No, 80?
I did.
70?
I did.
Oh, you did that?
52 times.
Oh, 52 times plus 20. I'm gonna give you a pass for the rest of the day. Just give them to me tonight before you go to sleep. Feel I'm gonna be good to him, y'all. You feel me? That boy gonna be built.
I'll let you do that shit.
He gonna be built. But anyway, y'all, man, I'm gonna catch y'all boys on the next video, man. Y'all stay tuned for all the vlogs and all the upcoming content we got, you know what I'm saying, on the way. And yeah, man, we gonna catch y'all in another video. I'm out.
Tell what for these niggas still going outside by hoes, I don't want no dealings. Shawty, I ain't mad right now, I just think we should just not speak, cause you just don't listen. I had to double my cup up and pour me a 4, cause I had to get out of my feelings. I took the car off the lot, then I took that bitch back, cause I wanted to